Let's delete the figures later. Alright. It seems we're online. And my glasses have some dust on smudge on the left side. Yeah, is this the best time to clean your glasses? Just at the start of the stream, I guess my body and mind is trying to find any kind of excuses to not stop work to not start working. Alright. So welcome to part 12 or whatever. To be honest, I thought making this prototype will be way much easier than this. Last 2 days were weekend, and Wednesday I worked like around 1 hour only because I waked up way too late, and I should worked on the weekend to replace Wednesday hours. I didn't even consider it an hour because it wasn't that good. So oh yeah, I didn't stream Tuesday for you because I was working on boring stuff again, and all of this is boring stuff, unfortunately, so I didn't show what I was doing. But I tried to make oh yeah, I was looking for what caused the memory leak, and I found it. That's why I removed the main menu. I should turn off one of the lights because it's way too shiny in the room, and I'm seeing the reflection on the screen and it's a little bit disturbing. So let's return the main menu and let's the controller grab the main menu. So I was testing the font size and color. Unfortunately, I cannot mix in the same dialogue different sizes and different colors like the World Office or whatever. So each dialogue can have only one size and one text, and the Arabic, unfortunately, it didn't want to be colorful because I have no clue. I tried different overloaded functions of the draw to give it a color, and it was working before because these are images. This is not a real font. It just cut it and placed in the right position. You see the biggest font, the very small space start to appear because of the float differences thing. So this one is yeah, hopefully even this one, I'm not sure how to fix this problem. You see here when you zoom in a lot, you see lines in here, and this is a little bit disturbing. So this is what I was doing, and I fixed the leak, and not much. I'm just working with a broken fork to build a pyramid. What I was going to do, I was going to show you the draw function and why it's not working. So let's go to the menu component. Is it the menu yeah, menu component? Where is the draw? I'm going to delay the corp, text corp, and how to do it. And I need to fix the second screen. Yeah, I need the online thing so I know when the stupid thing get offline. Alright. So here, if it is a text, where is the Arabic? This is the Arabic. I need to delete this, no needed for anymore. And here we select the color. Actually, this is, yeah, this is the First overload I tried. So it should set the color on the text, and before it was working, maybe it was, no, I tried rectangle F, didn't work either. I tried to set the other overload with the rotate and whatever, didn't work either. So there's like 20 overload for this function, actually 8 only. Maybe if you started from the beginning, you will see 20. Like, nope, 8. What the hell? I remember there were much more. So I tried a few of them because actually there are differences. If you want to stretch the images, you need to use a specific ones. So let's remove this one. We don't need it. So I discovered there is a way to do it, but it uses shaders. And I'm going to deal with shaders when I start to deal with lights and screen effects. So I'm going to delay this till I learn and implement the stupid thing. So what should we do now? Now let's, oh god, I need to move this section to the map simulator. But not today. Not today. We are in March. We are not in February anymore, so we moved our February work, and it's embarrassing, not a lot. Even though I implemented like 3 different small systems in the last 2 weeks, but the reason is if I return to the deadline, I will see that there are like 2 weeks I done absolutely nothing in them, and that's the reason. So we are, oh, I didn't record the hours for Tuesday, dang it. How many hours were they? I believe there were only 3, and this one only 1, but Monday, what did I do? Oh god, I didn't record the time. I forgot. I completely forgot. I don't know about Monday, but Tuesday it was only 3 hours. I dragged my feet on all of them. This one is less than 1 hour, so I'm not going to record it. So yeah, these 2 weeks were disasters. That's why I lost most of February. Didn't do a lot. These weeks are kind of fine. I believe this one is 2 or 3 because I hit the full time at least once, and almost the full time in another, so kind of fine. But I wish if I have a week that I have all of them 666. It's kind of difficult. In the old days when I started working on the project 2 years ago, no, almost 3 years ago, 2 years 0.75, I had a lot of days that I've done like 10 and 12 hours. But people get sick of the same work after a few years. I didn't start the timer yet, so we are not working, even though I spent like 9 minutes. Yeah, I started the recording so I could encourage myself to work. So where were we? We are trying to... Oh, this is not the control studio, this is the main menu. We are going to fix the main menu, and we're going to start after I turn off the stupid light. Is there reflection? Okay, the reflection is way much less worse. What the hell? Backhanded. 360 minutes. I don't think I will work 6 hours, but say, it's already 6 p.m. Hey. Yeah, there's something wrong with me. I cannot stay awake in the morning, even though I slept yesterday late at night. I mean, not that late, but at least I slept yesterday. Not today in the morning, and yet, let's start the timers. So let's fix this stupid thing by removing these buttons. I add them for a reason, to test having a dialogue on the fly on the button. And now let's make them loaded from the dialogue dictionary. I almost were going to say archive. Yeah, it can accept the name of the dialogue, which is I forgot. I completely forgot. Red lines, everyone. Everyone loved the red lines. Oh, I need to fix the main menu. Dialogue. MMB1. Okay, why are you crying now? That's why he's crying. Cannot convert string to dialogue. Don't I have an overload? Yeah, this one. Oh, it doesn't have true or false because it must be true in that case. Okay. Wait, if it is must be false, then we can remove the flag and yeah. Because that's the old way how to use it. We could make it a new way by removing the flag and yeah. But what if I wanna use a dialogue but at the same time exist? No, that doesn't make sense, eh? Yeah, I need to what now? Oh crap, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. Oh, I need to remove them from the priority queue. And that's like 4 minutes just to retrieve our old main menu. Not so good. We have a problem. This is the English version or non-Arabic version. So something is trying to be printed and it doesn't exist. What is it? Only God knows. Not for a minute anymore, any long. Anymore. Okay, where is the color? Oh, it's the dialogue. Where is the dialogues? Oh, maybe, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. The dialogue doesn't exist. Why is that? Why is that? How can I get the dialogues from here? We have the game core in here. Ta-da! Let's go to the dialogues. Then why we did not set the stupid thing? So where are we? We are in the main component. I cannot check the BL because we are out of the scope. I wish if I know. Oh yeah, it's the dialogue, silly you. The dialogue is not set. It's not a label, so why the dialogue is not set? Wait, which component was it? It was the first button. Okay, let's check the stupid constructor. We are using this one, which it doesn't use, and we are using this one. New. No, not this. Shouldn't it be? Who made this? Who made this? Well, give me a second. Yeah, I'm using a new. This is the wrong constructor. Because what the hell is this? Really? No, I'm using new here. Maybe I shouldn't use a new. Or maybe I should fix this bullshit. That's what happened when you insist on keeping the old way of things. This is how the things is working before I implemented the dialogue system in the game engine. The thing is, the dialogue system existed before the game engine project existed, but when I made the game engine, I didn't implement it immediately on it because it was so freaking complicated and I have more things to deal with. So I made the thing temporary, works like this. And look at me now, insisting on keeping the old system and screwing everyone up because this thing can work either as a string or a dialogue, and it should only depends on dialogue. So we wasted 10 minutes looking at this mess instead of fixing it. If I need to fix it, I need to fix the rest, and that's much better than the thing is, yeah, I wanted to have a way to do it on haste too. But we always need a dialogue now because we implemented the color. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, alright. So yeah, we used the wrong what do you call it? Overload, which should be or actually why should I send a new one while we could use a reference? And here we send it to well, I can copy this part and then close it. Thank you. That didn't take long, only 12 minutes. Yeah, this word is getting out of the box because it's two words and they are too long. Maybe I need to decrease the font size. Let's make it 18 to all of them. Replace the full and take a look. It's still too long. Maybe I need to change the word, the Arabic word. Continue. How should I say continue in Arabic? Do you wish to continue? Well, I could use this one instead of this one. Istimrar. So I need to change this. It's even longer actually. Look at me, struggling with a stupid thing like this. Why it doesn't want to change? Oh, come on, why it doesn't want to change into Arabic? Calm down, calm down. What the fudge is going on? Did I corrupt the file or something? What? Something is going on. Did I corrupt the file or something? No, the file is okay. This is fucking stupid. Oh, this is the update. You check all of them all the time. Oh, because this is the Arabic keyword. Oh God. Yeah, it's this thing. It seems even longer. Actually, I could remove the second word. And I almost lost my mind because it was the Arabic keyboard. Silly you. Yeah, I could fix that by accepting both somehow. I need to determine the key for the open parentheses in Arabic, or actually somehow implement a system that force the keys to turn into the Arabic keys from Arabic to English, and then rewire them based on the game to use the encryption actually language that I deal with, so it doesn't see the Arabic keys, it see numbers, so it determines which letter I'm inputting with the keyboard. And oh God, you don't want to see me coding that part. Thank you. Now it's look like more like a main menu, even though it's look ugly like hell, but that's what we have. That's what we have. Alright, and yes, these distances on the right side, I didn't fix it yet. And it seems the text is a little bit higher than the middle, so we need to lower it somehow. So let me think. Maybe I should add a variable to main menu, to all menu component, no, to all printable component, that organize a shift to the text. So let's do that. Yeah, I need to check out how many hours that I worked on Monday last time and plug it in, because I don't know how can I figure that out. I need to watch my old videos. No, I didn't record all videos all the time. I record only the part that I feel it's not going to kill someone by boredom. So because these one are marked as later, let me place them somewhere later. So add two variables to shift the text position in iPrintable interface. So let's go to the iPrintable. I already have DSX. Well, let's shift. Dialog shift. Oops, it's already there. Oops. Are you sure this is not the real position? Because it should be DX, not DSX. DSX has me shift. One way to figure that out, to go to the main menu, go to the printable. I'm not using it. I'm not using the damn thing. Yeah, I was using a variable to cast this thing, but because it make a new variable every time, I removed it, and now I need to deal with this crap. Oof. Where were we? Why I'm not using it? Let's go to the bottom MC. It's printable, and DX is not used in the constructor. This is a little bit stupid actually, because I made this in mind so I can place the dialogue what do you call it, position, and instead of saying oh -10, oh +10, this is stupid, this is really stupid. The other thing is the only problem is if I'm going to use the DSX, I need to update it in every update section. The GR is updated in several places automatically, but not the shift. Anyhow, let's use it instead of redefine it as a shift. Oh, come on. Oh, set. I need to use a set. Of course it won't show, because it should be like this. So this is undraggable, which I didn't fix yet. This is for text. Well, I could use the TextMC because this is a special case for TextMC, but TextMC is printable just to reduce the confusion or increase it, depends on how you see it. Yeah, the Arabic side is a little bit more complex because everything is calculated. Everything is calculated. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, I have a label? Really? I didn't know. Oh, the extra. Yeah, I need to implement that in here. In 10,000 years or something. Whenever I deal with the draw and update functions, I feel like, am I overdoing stuff in every tick and every 16 millisecond? And actually it might be even faster, but I'm not sure. Alright, now we need to set these variable because I wish if I can calculate it automatically somehow. But what to do? Set dsx, no, dsy. Let's make it 10. So let's make this one and this one 10 and the rest not, and see if it's going to get in the middle or not. Crash. See, too much. Now it is way too much. So maybe 4. Yeah, now that's much better. I wish if it is 4.5 though. Now it's look a little bit in the middle, and instead of hanging in there. This is an integer, right? Yeah, cannot be 4.5. Let's try 5 in the first 3. Why? These ones. Oh, I didn't change the number, did I? Silly you. Silly you. Silly you. So yeah, they look like in the middle, much more than. Yeah, 5. It seems better. Yeah, much better. So this is the goal of the whole thing, of the prototype, trying to get the engine ready to make games by proving that they can do the stuff. All right, let's try to make the first campaign loadable somehow. In other words, before we make the campaign loadable, let's make the exit. Not sure about calling the dispose function, but I read somewhere when you close the project, everything gets disposed automatically. They don't stay in the memory because they stay in a virtual memory and stuff. So we need to add a mouse click event here to the button. I made my own system in here, and as usual I completely forgot how to deal with it now, but we have an example, I believe, in the inventory. Yeah, something like this, and it can accept different clicks as well. So let's copy this code. It should be something like just for consistency, let's use the same name. So how can we close the game? Can we use exits? No, not exit. This close? No, I don't think so. Funny, how do you close the game? I kinda have no clue. It's not system dot exit, maybe? Close something. In Visual Basic you can use end, but in C#, no, I have no clue, to be honest. It's kind of funny, but yeah, we usually use the window components and usually have the X button on the corner. Mono game, how to exit the game safely. Not immediately. Oh, we could use the game thing. But this thing doesn't have a reference to the game. Does it? Yeah, it doesn't have a reference to the game because the game is living in here. Silly you. We have the game file. We could give the game core file a reference to the game. That will solve a problem by accessing it anywhere. Yeah, let's do that. So, excuse me. In the game core, we could give a reference. No comment. Alright, we don't need to add it. So game core, this game, and exit. Exiting. Dispose. Let's see, what does it have? Content, components. Oh yeah, these things. I dealt with them before and they were a pain in the butt, but I dealt with them in XNA 2 point something. Or 3 or so. Before 3, it was before 3. That was before the first prototype. Didn't like it. They could save a lot of time, but you need to build your own code around them. Max elapsed time. I need to play with these. I really need to play with these. I should play with them at the beginning, but I didn't have much investment, unfortunately, in this area. Run one frame. Hi. So I can close the timer, run only one frame at a time. Yeah, let's call the run function. Yeah, let's see what will happen. There's a lot of interesting functions. Let's see what the services do. Yeah, I will read about services and stuff later on. But now, so if I click on exit with the right button, it should be left button. So let's click on the left button, nothing happened, right button and exit. It should be, is it left with I or E, silly you? Alright. Now what? You finished this part, so let's go to the next. Because this is a very short code, and no, I'm not going to ask, are you sure? Are you sure you want it? Are you sure? No, silly that. Screw that. Right. Progress, everyone. Progress. Silly one, but it's a progress nonetheless. I really want to avoid loading the campaign, but it's time. It's time. It's time. It's time to deal with this. Well, first of all, we need to okay, this is a little tricky. No, not at all, not at all. We need to make a new main menu. I know. Not main menu, we need to make another menu that hold the campaigns. Not only that, I want the campaigns to be dynamically loaded. What I'm trying to say, I want to create a new button for each campaign. And I wonder if this is even... It is possible. I am the one who made the engine, and I know its powers. It's hidden gems. It's okay. So the first task is the most boring task. Let's make a new GUI for the whole thing. I could reuse the GUI, but I'm not sure if there's... Yeah, this is one of the problems I have. The GUIs, they are not extendable like these ones. Actually, I made a system to make them extendable, silly you. I have a way. Give me a second. Let's go to map simulate. I need to change the AC configuration. The room is way too cold. Either I need to turn it off or get it a little bit higher. I like it cold, but not like this. So we are going to use something like this, but I kinda hate this one. I need to remake it. Kinda hate it. So let me turn off the AC. Now I need to turn off myself. No? Yeah, the only problem if I'm going to use such a thing is the background will consist of one color, not like this. A series of graded color. I don't know what to call it. Stream of colors. Is this thing transparent anyway? Yeah, I made it into transparent. I'm afraid I'm going to use it. I'm afraid I'm going to use it. Did I add it to the game? Yep. Alright. Oops, I closed the game file, the map simulator. So you see, we have more than one campaign. And there are tons of problems I have. There are really tons of problems. How does the game knows how many campaign do I have? The game file only show the main one, right? Yeah. Oh, I already made it into automatic. Okay. Okay. I was going to do something and I completely forgot. Completely forgot. Well, silence of the grave. Oh wait, this is the whole script wizard thing. Yep, it is in the game file. Now, how can I make the campaign accept fan-made campaigns? I might make a separate folder or file that have the names of the campaigns. Should I make it now? Because so far the game, oh yeah. Campaigns so far cannot introduce new assets because assets must be, I mean, music, audio, graphics, pictures, must be compiled by the pipeline to make it into XNA, and I don't know how to make it dynamically, so the game file must know that so that's why I didn't separate the campaign and game file completely. If I want to make players capable of making maps and campaigns later on, I need to make a different file loaded with the game file to identify, but not a different file. It must be detected from the folder itself, so it should go to the campaign file, check how many files of the campaign and see if they are compatible or not and load them. I should say excuse me before I blow my nose. Excuse me. Happy now? So yes, let's just. I want to add that feature, but let's work on the campaign. So let's add a new menu and call it campaign selector or campaigns MC. Yeah, I need to add a template. So I want it to be controllable and draggable. Oh, yeah. To make it controllable, we need to copy these. I might need to make it highlightable. I don't know why this is called this dialogue. Maybe this is get fixed or get fixed. The get name is fixed or something. What? Oh, this is a menu component. I forgot to give it a father. Yeah, give me a second. I don't have an example that use an FC menu anymore, do I? Man, I need to learn how to define it from the scratch. Bummer. Because I need to define how the exit is clicked. Which I need to define the position. Do I really don't have an FC? Oh, I have a frame MC, which is define all of the crap automatically. Right, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it's funny. I've been working on the engine everywhere, and now I need to deal with everything at once. So some of the things I remember immediately because I worked on it last month, and some of the things, yeah, I didn't touch for like a year or something, like this one. So this one automatically defined frame, but I might need to take a look on it. Oh wow. Has a dialogue? Well, I don't need a dialogue with it. It's fixed with the images, really? Yeah, the images are fixed, so we could change that by give it an option to change these two to make it more generic, so we could use it in different games. So this one is using the shift, I see. And again, it's not dynamic. So we need to add more variables to this tool. That means we need to change some of the things. So let's put in here string fc1 image, string fc2 image, and here yeah, the variables are not that obvious, the names. So we need to change the is dialog or completely delete it, because I kinda hate this one. But we still can use some of the numbers and values and stuff in here. Oh, this is the overridden one. Do I need it? Do I need it? Do I need it? After the RY. Right, now we need to use the normal constructor and God, the one with the cat, the go 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 go. I want to copy it. Come on. Happy now? Alright. Now we need to use the add component or add menu, which is customable. Only 5 minutes left for the break. So let's do something useful in it. Once again, I don't think I want the user to play with this. I mean, it's funny. I am the user and I am the programmer and I am the developer and I am everyone. It's kind of funny. What I'm trying to say, I wanted to add it just like this. No input whatsoever. The only thing that I'm concerned with is the order. The order in these menus are fixed. So the main menu in the priority list ID, the group ID is always 0. It's not fixed. So a group ID. So what I'm trying to say later on when I try to make them invisible or stuff, because these guys are separated from the maps and belong to the game core, so they can show in any game, in any campaign, and they are sharing the group in the priority list. So I could completely remove them from the list when I don't need them, or keep the order, not changing the ID. The ID is not the priority is the layer. So campaign select, God, didn't I made it public? No. So the whole lecture is, oh come on, what's now? The whole lecture is, what I was trying to say is this. Either I make the constructor accept the group number and the layer as well, because the layer is not automatic, is it? No, it is. It is automatic. Because I add this one first and this one, then wait, is it? No, it is not automatic either. It should be here. Really? Then what's the purpose of this one? The order. Well, every group has a layer, a single layer it should be. But this is not the layer. This is Rx, because this is the layer sleeve. Anyhow, unfortunately, even the layer is hard-coded. It's not automatic. It's funny because should component of the same group have different layers? I cannot think, and unless if you consider like two menus, they appear and disappear together, like when you're buying and selling items from a shop. Yeah, this could be used. So when they close together because you're closing the same group, so they need to be in the different layers. This is the only possibility I can think of. Like having a pop-up shot out like this, but it's considered part of the menu of this one. So if you close the main one, the smaller one get closed. So yeah, all right. CSMC. Oh. The image is it's white or something. Clue. The layer is 1. Group number is 1. This one will be tricky. I need to make it the center of the screen. So um, um, mm, mm, mm. Da-da. These are for testing. Can I get the graphics screen? The funny part is I'm sure that I made some calculation in the game core to calculate the render target crap. Alright. Oh. Didn't I read from the stupid I should reduce the usage of the keyword stupid and ugly and all of these words. Yeah, skin width. Ah. Then why when I tried to access it, it didn't exist? Okay, calm down. Calm down. This is the first thing I tried to access. Sit. And it says only language. Oh, it's not static. Okay. Oh, give me a break. You're testing my frickin'... I cannot access the group rectangle. What the hell? Okay, first of all, freaking calm down. Second of all, I didn't add the frame. Oh, it seems I'm trying to make this one as the frame. No, this one is not the frame. All right. For now, let's just put it like this. I will return and add the frame sizes later. Screen selector frame. So this one should call campaign frame. Oh, C frame. Cam. Okay, cam. I believe this is going to work as the caption. No? Then why it's called a name? Yeah, this is working as a function, the caption. It's have the weirdest name ever. I mean, usually name is used as an ID. Why did I call it a name? Only God knows. Someday I need to kill everything and change everything. This is not a printable, so I cannot compare it to this one. Let's close the dialog, the game core, advance it, shake the button. Yeah, it's called the name just for the freaking confusion. Alright. Alright. The thing is, this thing is not supported in a normal way. Yeah, it doesn't have an override for the dialogue. So I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to add a dialogue somewhere else to support Arabic and English. As I said, the old component using only a caption because the dialogue system was not supported. So this one, actually this one doesn't matter because it will be an illusional component, and this one is like the guy that I'm going to control the other guys, the buttons inside it. Why GR doesn't exist? When I go to the main menu, I could access the GR in here. Don't tell me because it's private I must use set GR. Okay. I start to grasp what's going on, hopefully. All right. No, it's no, not the. This is the width and this is the height, and no, why this one is not quite non-static? Calm down. Okay, visible to the width. Let's say 300. The height 100. Now let's add them to the PL. Yeah, I should add a list of many components to add that DL. So, and instead of doing this stupid thing, adding them in a row, we call it only once. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Let's test this. Fuck me. I see. I cannot reference the same object while I'm creating it. Genius. Genius. Maybe I can adjust the location after that because I need to. I don't see it. Oh, hello. Actually, make this one false. Oh, here it is, but because of the background, I cannot see a shit. Do you see it? It's hard to see. If I made, yeah, see? So, this is not in the middle of the screen, is it? I don't see that in the middle screen. I mean, middle screen shouldn't be in here. Let me guess. The image with the color white doesn't exist with the name white. Yeah, there's a small W. Oh yeah, I changed the small W into capital freaking unbelievable number of times, and it kept changing into small automatically for some reason, and I have no clue why. It's just a problem that I refuse um, to care about anymore. And this one should be a little bit higher. I don't know why minus 50 didn't. Of course, every time we update the screen, we need to update this sucker. But for now, let's take a break. Let's take a break. And taking a break in here does mean I will end the video. We'll make another one, no worries, in a few minutes. So see you in the next part.